Imagine this. You're cruising through a jaw-dropping red rock wonderland where Mother Nature went all out. Welcome to Arches National Park, home to over 2,000 natural stone arches. Yup, the highest concentration of arches on the entire planet. But wait, there's more. Towering rock pinnacles, massive rock fins, and mind-blowing balanced rocks that seem to defy gravity. It's like stepping onto another world. But guess what? It's right here in Moab, Utah. And what if you could explore this stunning landscape effortlessly? Zero stress, but all the fun. That's where the Moab Tourism Center comes in. We don't just do tours, we create unforgettable adventures. Just picture yourself in an open-air panoramic van. Yes, the roof actually opens up, giving you 360-degree views of this incredible landscape. No driving, no worrying about reservations. Just you, soaking in the scenery while our expert guide keeps you entertained with fascinating stories and fun facts. Oh, and did we mention your park entrance fee, an engaging professional guide, and snacks are all included? It's easy, it's fun, and hands down, one of the best ways to experience Arches National Park. So, what are you waiting for? Let's make some magic. Book your Arches National Park highlight tour with the Moab Tourism Center today.